Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to reset network settings in Windows 11 step by step. So if your Wi-Fi or internet is not working, so let's get started. So firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for Settings, then open Settings. Now go to Network and Internet. Now scroll down till last and select Advanced Network Settings. Now here you will see Network Reset option. Click on it. Then you will click on Reset Now. A confirmation message will appear. You click yes to continue. Your PC will automatically remove and reinstall network adapters. Now after the reset is complete, restart your Windows 11 computer. And that's it. This is how you can reset network settings in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.